I don't have any files, right? I'm just starting from a blank directory, and then we are going to execute our code here in this terminal window, right? And I'm using Mac, so this is using OS 10. But you know, OS 10 mimics a lot of the Linux flavors that you're going to come across in the real world. So you want to learn something like Mac OS or Linux or whatever, because you know this is what you're going to be up against when people don't work. You know, we had a discussion earlier about cloud certifications, right? When you don't have a cloud environment, or you're working in a server environment, this is what you're given, right? They tell you, okay, here's a command line prompt, go work with it, right? So really important for you guys to kind of get used to working like this. Visual Studio Code for your code, and then executing some sort of terminal. In this scenario, I'm executing locally within my own Python environments, but you would find this exact same interface if I was using one of my servers. So I keep a couple servers on DigitalOcean to help me kind of, you know, like do my own projects and my own ideas and stuff like that. But the interface is the same, right? I'm pointing out that I'm running locally, but you would see the same thing if we were to run this on my DigitalOcean servers or something else, right? The point is, you got to feel comfortable in Linux. You got to feel comfortable not working in GUIs, right? We're not going to see very many GUIs right now. This is just the way it is. This is professional development environment. Okay. All right. So again, we're thinking in terms of architects, right? We are not just data scientists level 1. We're thinking of architects. So the first thing we're doing is we're going to need a file.